ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to introduce you guys to the Avalanche. I noticed that there is some very noticeable and very hard to deal with rust. It breaks my heart when I see this, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. And let's just take a look. As you notice right here on the rocker or kick panel kind of thing, I think that's what they call this. I'm not, if I'm saying the name wrong, let me know. But it's really jacked up. Like, that's so bad. I thought I fixed this issue when Peter did the first rust repair, but I remember he only worked on this side of the panel. I guess this was good at the time, but since moving to Florida, which Florida doesn't really mess with the rust at all, this is from being up north for so long. So what I'm going to do is strip all of this back. I probably have to remove this, strip this back, and I'm going to cut where the rust spot is, or maybe I might grind out first to see what's actually holding what's good metal. I wanted to trim all of this here to figure out what we're gonna do and what's the next step. Even when you look underneath the vehicle, I think it crunches a lot. Look at that. Oh my God, that's not good. So that's not good at all. So unfortunately, it sucks to see that happen to the truck that you love so much. But we're gonna weld a new patch. So let's get started. So it's bad, but it's really not that bad. I mean, weight reduction, so we're gonna get better gas mileage there, but it's definitely something that's doable, and I can definitely handle this, I think. But let's see what I can do. Alrighty guys, so we ended up picking up some 16 gauge metal from Home Depot. What I'm gonna do now is grind the rust from around the Avalanche. I already kind of pre-bent this myself. I just put it on my wood bench and I knocked it with a hammer till I got this little shape, and I'll show you the fitment soon. But what I'm gonna do is grind the rest of the rust out, so that way it's fully prepped, and then all I have to do is just line this up, show it to y'all, and tack it into place. Let's go. So we just basically shaved down this metal. We used the grinder, got rid of all the rust. We're gonna fill this hole up. We're going to now weld on our new patch on top and the bottom. Alrighty guys, so one of the things we're gonna do next is apply our Bondo, which is our body filler. Bondo is actually the brand name, so body filler. So I have this Evercoat Body Shop Pro Grade body filler. I did pick this up at AutoZone, but you can pick this up on Amazon and anywhere else online that you like, but I will leave a link in the description for all the items that I've used on this project. So I have this Evercoat Body Shop body filler. I picked up a bunch of spreaders also. We're actually only going to need one, but I like having multiples. And I also have a nice little spread board over here, which is going to allow me to mix my Bondo on and apply it to the vehicle. You don't really need this. You can apply it to anything, a piece of wood, a piece of cardboard. Make sure it's clean. You don't want contaminants to get in there. The reason it looks so dirty is because this is old body filler, which it's not going to mess with the new filler that I have going on here. This is just old and it's hard and it got to get cleaned off, but it's not going to do anything to it. So what we're going to do now is mix our body filler, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Alrighty guys, so one of the first things you're going to do is kind of knead your hardener in here. This is going to be a chemical reaction to harden the Bondo, so I like to kind of squeeze through it and kind of knead it in there and whatnot. So once we get that played around with, we're going to put that to the side. We're going to break open our Bondo, pour some on our board, and then put a bead of hardener across it to mix our perfect ratio. Let's get to that. Alrighty guys, so now we're going to work on sanding, but before we get into that step, a quick word from our video sponsor. Guys, this is the ozone generator. Now, this machine is used for when you have foul odors in your car that you can't get rid of, your car, your truck, whatever it is. You just can't get rid of it. You don't know what's causing it. You plug this machine in and it will pull the odors out. The ozone machine will emit an ozone smell to kill the bacteria and mold in the air. It uses electricity to create ozone, which binds to the smell and gets rid of them. This can kill unwanted pests as well. The ozone generator creates ozone from the oxygen within the enclosed space. This causes a lack of oxygen and the bugs will asphyxiate and die. I'm not one to take a life, but bugs are gross. This awesome machine also comes with a Wi-Fi plug. This allows you to use an app to control the machine or anything else of your choice. First, plug the Wi-Fi into an outlet. Make sure the light is blinking. Follow the instructions till setup is complete. You should have access to this machine via the Smart Life app. Set your machine to hold using the dial, and now with your phone you have full access to power it on and off. The Smart Life app also allows you to put whichever device you are using on a schedule or a timer. Now back to our video. Alrighty guys, so that is a quick episode on how you can repair the rust on your car or your truck. In this case, my Avalanche. Now, we did paint it black and we left it black, but that's because I do have special things in store for the Avalanche coming up in the near future, so I don't have a problem leaving it black. If you guys enjoyed this video like I enjoyed making it, definitely hit the like button. Also hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Also, let me know what you think I have in store for the Avalanche. Other than that guys, I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.